What's up, everybody? John Stevens here, coming to you with the first video in this series of daily credit tips. Okay, so take a second right now, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video if you would, and whenever it's done, drop a comment about whether or not this helped you, but make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of this series that I'm doing to really help you repair your credit. All right, let's go. So today is like I said, day number 1 of this credit tips. So what I'm going to briefly go over today is the 5 core components and how your credit is scored. Okay, so some of y'all may know this, but if you don't, I'll list them out right here. You've got payment history, utilization, the length of your credit, new credit, and your credit mix. Okay, 5 things. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I've been working on a car today and I'm human. So to briefly touch on each one of those. All right, payment history. We all know that, in order to have good credit, you got to pay your stuff on time. Even if you mess up, it's going to show up on that report, but, you will also, it won't extremely impact your score if you mess up 1 or twice. If you mess up a lot, I mean, obviously, yes, it is. You want to keep that, you want to be at about 99%, 97, 99%, 100 is optimal. But like I said, we're not all perfect. So the second level of that is your utilization. How are you using your credit? Do you have $500 credit limit? Okay. Are you using 400 of that, 500 of that? Are you maxed out? Are you over? A little nugget right here. You want to stay under about 30%. Okay, so let's just hypothetically make it easy. You got a $1,000 credit limit. Try to keep it under 300 and try to pay off whatever new debt you accrue on that card the same day. Okay, we'll dig into more of that later, but we'll move on to step number 3, which is your length of credit. You want to have about 5 to 7 years. Even 3 years is good. But if you have a bunch of new credit cards and you can't figure out, you've been paying on time, you've been following the steps, but your credit score is, decent, it's in the 6 or, the low 7s, it's a good score, that will grow over time. Okay, it will. New credit. So, we are scored based off of how much new credit we have. Like I just said, I mean, if you get 2 or 3 new credit cards, that may negatively impact your score temporarily, but as you pay your payments on time, as you utilize it properly, that your credit will go up. And then last but not least, credit mix. So that's going to be a mix of the other 4 things that we just discussed. So payment history, utilization, your length of credit, and new credit is all going to get mixed together, and it's scored differently. And I'm going to give you guys something that's going to help you out with that. You may see a chart on here. If not, it is going to be in this new credit book, this free credit book that I wrote, okay, based off of my my knowledge that I've learned, my testimony, what I figured out to do to legally fix my credit in this book right here. Grab your copy in the link below, or get back with the person. If somebody shared this to you, they've got it too. I believe in this thing, and I want to share it with as many people as possible. So again, I'm going to keep this short. We're under 5 minutes. Make sure again that you subscribe, that you like this video. If this helps, please comment below. When you download your new book, please comment below that you have your book, and tell me what you think about it, and share it with as many people as you want, as many people as you can. We're in the business of helping people and changing lives, and the only way that somebody's even going to get this is if you share it with them. So again, John Stevens here. Leverage your income. Book's called Leverage Your Credit. Again, it's in the links below. Follow me on Facebook if you don't already. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.